set of all the points. These are all different points that are equidistant from a fixed line. Equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point. Let's take 3 points. So the fixed line, this is your fixed line. The name is L. You have a fixed point. Fixed line. Now let's take these points, call them as P1, another one is P2. Let's say this is P3. Okay. P1, P2, P2, and say you have a fixed point called goes by focus. What we are saying is the distances of these points P1 from the fixed point P1 F, P2 F, and then the third point's distance from the focus is what? So for a parabola, the path of all these points are there, right? These distances would be equal to the distance of the point from a fixed line. The line fixed line P1, P2 touches it at P2, P3 touches it at P3. Understood? Wherever these points have the P1F, P2 is equal to P2F. Plot these points.
Sir, there is the background first.
So what you will get is, okay, a parabola. Okay. Okay. So what is parabola? Parabola in Greek or Latin? Para. Okay. Para actually means for. Bola means throwing. Rebola, 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 bola. Throwing. So this is nothing but parabola is shape you get when you throw a ball in the air. Right? So you throw a ball in the air, cricket ground, right? You throw the ball, it goes up all the way up, and then it's going to fall down like a bell curve. Like, yes, which is nothing. Parabola. Right? Is this clear? So far? So now, if you look at it, we are going to have some questions. Okay. So which is the direct here? Which is the directrix? What is that line called? I mean, is it a fixed or moving line? Fixed line. And the focus, this point is your focus. And this point is called the vertex. And this line is going to be axis. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the focus point F, the coordinates of that will be, this is the axis, x-axis. So what will be the y coordinate of it?
The
The coordinate will be the focus. If the focus is at the origin, let's say we are moving the, let's say we are moving the origin. Something is coming up. Okay. Suppose we have the vertex at origin. Imagine we have the vertex at the origin. Okay. Of the body. Your y-axis. Let's say this is our y-axis. Okay. Now this F is at a distance A from the y-axis. What will be the coordinates of F? Right? Now imagine you have the fixed line at the same distance on the other side of the y-axis. Side of the y-axis. This point is negative A. Because it is to the left side of x. So what will be the value of x at all of these points? Yeah, what will be the value of x at all these points is going to be the same, isn't it? Value of x will be minus, or the equation of the directrix is nothing but x is equal to minus a.
minus A. But I didn't.
The directrix is this x is equal to minus a. In this case, where is your vertex? Yes, John. Tell me.
How is x equal to minus A? I'm still didn't get
You
that.
see, so both are equidistant. This is your y-axis. Okay. This distance is a units, and this distance is a units as well. So anything to the right side of y-axis is positive a. Anything to the left side of y-axis will be negative a. Cartesian plane. അല്ലേ?
Yes.
മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ലല്ലേ?
Yes.
Right. So here you can see now the vertex is at the origin. Okay, if the vertex is at the origin, as shown here in this case, the axis of symmetry can be either along the x-axis or along the y-axis. Now, where is the symmetry here you are seeing? If I cut the parabola into two halves, which halves will be equal? Which should be? It has to be the x-axis, right? If I cut the parabola across the x-axis, you will get two equal halves. So the symmetry here is along x-axis. Okay. So you can also have the parabola on the left side of y-axis. Okay, let's see that. Negative x-axis. You understand what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm
Yes,
saying here?
yes, sir.
So this is going to be our parabola if it is on the left side. Now where is your focus? So, okay. Vertex is at the origin. So we need to show the vertex, right? Not shown the vertex. Let me show the vertex. Suppose this is our vertex, is at the origin. So this is going to be our directrix. Okay. Okay. Now focus. This is your y dash number. X blue line is our directrix. This is going to be your directrix, and the vertex is at origin. F. What will be F here? Minus
Negative.
very good. And this point with directrix, the point is going to be equidistant because vertex is the point on the parabola. So whatever distance it is going to be there from the focus, isn't it? So this is a point P, this is F, this and the point on the directrix should be of the same distance. This must be A, this is also A, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is going to be A as well. So here, all the points will be at A. So equation of the directrix in this case will be what? X is equal to A. Right? So then, what will be the equation of the parabola? The equation of the parabola is given by, if the symmetry is along the x-axis, symmetry is along the x-axis. The equation is going to be y square is equal to 4ax. But here, it is on the left side of the y-axis, so our equation will have a negative sign because a is negative.
Yes, sir.
Alle,
Yes, sir.
minus 4a. Rather, these are the two things. What will be the other? Can we go on to the next one? Will we move to the next
Yes.
Yes, sir.
type of parabola? Let's see the case where the parabola is symmetrical about the y-axis. And do like this. Okay, right? Parabola. Let's consider it to be a parabola. Whose vertex is where?
At
The origin.
origin.
So I have F the focus here, where this is origin 0, 0. This is your x-axis, x dash, y dash. Now the x-axis, the x-coordinate of focus is on the y-axis, so it's going to be 0. And let this distance be b. So it will be 0, b or 0, a. If you want to keep it as a, call it as a, it's okay. Call it as a itself. Now the directrix, so it's going to be equidistant from on the other side as well. So this will be our directrix. So this is our directrix. Here the value of y is going to be the same, and this distance will be a as well. The equation of the directrix is going to be y is equal to minus a because it is below the x-axis. Now the question is, what will be the equation of this parabola which is above the y-axis? Sorry, above the x-axis. So since this is symmetrical about this is symmetrical above y-axis, correct? So for symmetry about y-axis, the equation of the parabola is going to be x square is equal to 4ay. Alright? This will be our equation of the parabola. Since I use the tool, it is going to look like a China ball, parabola, just like a ball. Okay. So the other parabola could be like this, which is going to be below your y-axis. It's a circle. It is not a circle. So the equation of this parabola is going to be x square is equal to what? Negative 4ay. Yes. Alright. Alright. 0, negative a. So we have seen. Okay, can I erase this one now?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So tell me one thing. What will be the distance of the directrix? Distance of the directrix, okay, from the focus. This distance will be how much? A here, A here. It is going to be 2A. Isn't it? Distance of the directrix from the focus is going to be 2A.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's look at this parabola. Say is the origin.
What's that?
Focus is a comma 0. Choose a point P whose coordinates are x comma y. Okay, and let's take the directrix. Directrix is going to be a units from the y-axis on the other side. Is this clear? Why is it a units away? Because from the vertex, the point is on the vertex. The distance from the focus has to be a, and the distance to the directrix must be a as well. Clear? Now choose a point P on the parabola somewhere over here. Now what will be its distance to the directrix? Okay. P, this is, let's say this is P. It's not 2A. B and P have the same y coordinate. Okay, so that is going to be y. And this point B's x coordinate is minus a. So that's going to be minus a comma y. Right? Correct? Alright. Now what will be, so we have to know y will not be 0. It's not on the, why it will be 0? Why should it be 0? It is not. Don't get confused. Okay. Now let's find the distance. What have we seen? We've seen PF for a parabola. We know that PF is equal to PB. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the distance PF now? PF is what? A minus x the whole square plus y square, isn't it? Or x minus a the whole square. Root of
Yes, sir. Minus a the
x
whole
minus
square.
a the whole square plus y square is equal to what? PB will be
Yes.
what? X plus a root of x plus a the whole square plus y minus y, that is 0. Right? So what if we square both the sides? X square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to x square plus a square plus 2ax. A square x square cancels. So y square is equal to 4ax. That is how you get the equation of the parabola as y square is equal to 4ax. And one thing that we need to note here is the value of a. Can value of a be greater? In this case, will it be positive or negative in this case? It is positive because it is on the right side of your y-axis. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. And what is the equation of the directrix in this case? Let's check. Yes, equation of the directrix will be x is equal to minus a. Correct?
Yes.
Right. Okay, so these are all the standard equations of our parabolas. These equations are known as the standard equations. Okay, now I'm going to ask you something. Y square equals, what are the four equations we saw? 4ax
4x,
Square
y
is
square
equal to
equal to
minus
negative
4x.
4x,
Square is
x
equal
square
to
equal to
4a
4x,
point.
oh yeah,
Square is
4a,
equal to negative 4a.
negative 4a.
Now the symmetry is along where? Symmetry is along for 4ax. Symmetry is along positive x-axis.
Positive x
Minus 4ax, it will be
minus
negative x.
and x-axis.
This is
Positive
positive
y-axis,
y-axis. Yeah. And this is
negative.
negative y-axis. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next thing. Shall we move on to the next one?
Sure, sir.
Next we are going to see something called finished writing it?
Yes.
Symmetry along. It is along which axis? There is a column name. Okay, so here you see look at it. Oh man. So it takes this is the better. This is our focus. Okay. Now if you have a line segment perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Which is the axis of the parabola here? X-axis. So this x-axis, okay, the line segment perpendicular to the axis of the parabola and through the focus, and the endpoints must be on the parabola. The endpoints, so then such a line is what you call it as what? Latus rectum. You understand the definition of a latus rectum? A latus rectum is a line segment which must be perpendicular to the axis of a parabola and whose endpoints must lie on where? On the parabola. And this line segment should be passing through the focus as well. There are three things. Perpendicular to the axis, the endpoints must be on the parabola, and it should pass through the focus.
Okay, sir.
Call this as AB, and we will have a directrix as well. So this is your directrix. M is a point on the directrix.
X is equal to minus A.
Sorry?
No, the directive for this parabola. X
Yeah, you're
equal
not
to
audible.
Sir, I was talking about the directive for this parabola.
Directrix.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Directrix is going to be x is equal to negative a, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So some interesting things we are going to see now. So look for the point A. What conditions should be satisfied for point A? The distance AF must be equal to the distance AC, correct? For the parabola, for this parabola, AF must be equal to AC because C is a point on the directrix, F is the focus, A is a point on the parabola. So the parabola is path of all the points which is equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed line. Fixed point is F. நல்ல கவனி focus பண்ணு. F is the fixed point. So AF is A is a point on the parabola. So AF is the distance of the point from the fixed point AF. What is AC? C is a point on the directrix. That's a fixed line. So according to the definition of parabola, AF is equal
Is
to
equal to
AC. Yes. That is clear, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is AC equal to and what is FM? What AC is equal to FM, isn't it? Which is equal to 2A. In the பக்கம் ஒரு A,
Yes,
this
sir.
side A. So FM
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 2A. So your AC is equal to 2A as well. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the parabola is symmetric about the x-axis, isn't it?
Parabola is sir.
Okay. So AC is equal to AF means what is AF is equal to 2A.
2A.
So if AF is 2A due to symmetry, what is AB? FB
FB is
will also be 2.
Oh yeah. Okay.
OA is it not here? There is no OA. So AF plus FB is going to be what now?
AB.
Which is what? The
What?
length of the latest rectum. So for a parabola, the length of the latest rectum will be what?
4A.
Yes. Clear? How we got it?
Yes, sir.
മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
അത് മനസ്സിലായോ?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That's all it is. So now we can go to the problems now. Solving of the problem. Can we? Since we started late, we can go for another 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Now this is example 5. Let's say example number 5. Find the coordinates of the axis, focus, coordinates of. We're asked to find the coordinates of focus, axis, and equation of directrix and latest rectum. Okay. And latest rectum for whatever Length of latest rectum. Latest rectum for y square equals 8x. Yeah. Now we have to compare this equation with comparing with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 8 means what is your a is equal to what will be the coordinates of the focus then? This will be a comma 0 or comma 0.
Yes, sir.
And what will be the directrix?
Um,
X
minus.
is equal to minus 2 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can say anything is fine. What will be the length of the latest rectum? Yes.
Feet.
4 into a, that is equal to 4 into 2 or 8.
Yes, sir.
Right? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, shall we do another one? Move on to the next one.
Sure.
So, given the focus of the parabola is focus of parabola is 2 comma 0. Directrix is given as x is equal to negative 2. What will be the equation of the parabola?
Y square is equal to negative x.
Why negative? Just 8x.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. I
Isn't it?
took negative 2. That's right. Yes, sir. It's 8x.
Uh, Next one. Shall we go for the next one? So,
Sure, sir.
next one is vertex equation. We need to find the parabola. Vertex of parabola is 0 comma 0. Focus is 0 comma 2. Okay, which means the parabola is like this now, 0 comma 2. Okay, the equation of the parabola. What will be the equation of this parabola? So this is symmetrical about y-axis, which is going to be x square, and moreover it is positive 2 plus 2. So x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to 8y will be the equation of the parabola. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Gautam? Alright, we'll do another one. Okay, so example number 8. Find the equation of the parabola which is symmetric about y-axis. So it is like this. Okay. And passes through the point 2 comma negative 3. Passes through point 2 comma negative 3. So in this case, parabola is passing through a point 2 comma negative 3. Let's say this is that point 2 comma negative 3. Symmetric about y-axis. So symmetric about y-axis, equation will be what? R is equal to 4ay, right? It passes through the point 2 comma minus 3, means the point 2 comma minus 3, point 2 minus 3 lies on the parabola. So 2 square is equal to 4a into y, it is minus
3. Yes, sir.
So what is the unknown here? So minus 3 is equal to 1 or a is equal to negative 1 by 3. So what will be the equation of the parabola here?
X square is equal to negative 4 by 3y.
X square is equal to 4, a is negative 1 by 3 y. 4ay.
Yes, sir.
Or will you go and say? Or 3x square is equal to minus 4y. Is also the equation of the parabola. Is this clear? So parabola is also done. Alright? So it's all practice problems here afterwards. So you can, there are 12 problems, then comes your ellipse. You can move on to the ellipse. Next is going to be our ellipse. Ellipse and then hyperbola.
Hyperbola.
Yes,
Alright.
both are going to be a little bit slightly, it's small change, but they will be a little more interesting. These are all simple forms of the curves, circle and parabola.
Okay, sir.
Alright, so we will stop here for today and I can continue. We can continue in our tomorrow is Saturday.